Alright, we're going to capture this hobo this time. We're not going to capture him, we're going to kill him. Sure.
You point. I'm not a point person.
Now, quickly! I'll set up some defense. Cover him, Joe. Move up. Get him! No, Josh! No!
Fuck, where is he?
He's in the bunker. Ah! What's up? Sorry about that. Joe, check. I'm lazy. Stay with me, man! It's gonna be okay!
I'm not sure what's the thought, damn it. Snooze gonna be. We should have had grenades, that would have been perfect.
Yeah, that would have been perfect. I was thinking about doing the Vietnam. I was like, Vietnam, man! Oh, I hope I got that on the video. Let's go, go, go! He's moving! He's there! That way! Where's Blunt? I mean dugout. Where's dugout?
That way, genius.
Okay, just making sure. I'm too far over. I see it. Careful, he's over here somewhere. Joe, on me, let's go. Come on, Joe. Get up here.
Cover me.
I hate this box mag. Okay. Joe. No, I didn't mean move, I meant shoot!
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Why would we move?
I don't know. Hit. Alright, Jake, search the bunker.
Search the bunker. Found it. Alright, Joe. Let's go. Almost lost it.
have recovered the bomb, but the hobo escaped.
This will not do. We must hunt down the hobo. But first we must use this bomb. You and your men find the hobo.
Immediately, my lord.
Good, good. I will make good use of this bomb. Dismissed.